So hey guys, welcome back. So hope you are doing well and enjoying my videos. So in this video, I'm gonna review my second magic video that I have uploaded in this channel. So as you can see, this is the video you are able to see on the screen here. So if you have not watched that video, kindly watch the video as you are able to see the I button. Okay, so in the I button you can click the I button and watch the video, or even you can check the description. A link is given there and you can watch the video and enjoy the performance. And then after watching the video, come back to this video to learn the trick, because if you learn this trick without watching the performance, you will not be able to understand what is happening in the script. So now, without wasting time, let's move on to the performance. But before that, kindly subscribe my channel now. So for the script, again, you need a full 52 deck of cards, and remove the jokers from this deck, as we do not need the jokers. We keep that aside. These are the cards, okay, and already shuffled cards, okay. Now you will see your spectator to shuffle these cards as much as they like, okay. They can shuffle these cards in any way they like, very clearly. And now you will take back the deck from the spectator. So you will now show your spectator that all these cards are different cards and all these cards are shuffled. And now in that showing motion, you will be finding your 7 that you need for the trick. Okay, any 7 of diamonds, 7 of hearts, any 7 you can find. Just spread on the cards and show that all these cards are different. Now, and take 1 7. How? I will show you now. And you can see, suppose this is the 7. So you will now hold the 7, pinch the 7 with your index finger. You are normally spreading cards like this, and you will now hold the 7 with your index finger, and now push this 7. Okay, hold this 7, and now this 2 of hearts is right there. You will, in this position, you will just slightly think this 2 of hearts, not like that, okay, or else the spectator will even notice what you are doing. Just slightly think it and just slide it over, and in that motion, what you are really doing is this. Slightly 2 of hearts, and now spreading this card between your index and thumb finger. So you have given an index break on that 7. Okay, let me show you again. Here you are finding a 7, any 7, okay, any red, blue, black, oh sorry, not blue. So let's see, 7, any 7. Yeah, this one. So you just pinch it right there and do it like this. After completing showing your card, what you will do is this. You will push up these cards of the middle finger. With the help of your tip of the middle finger, you push up these cards and just square all these cards, okay? Square all these cards and keep these cards on top. And in this way, deck 7 is now on the bottom of the deck. I mean, you can see, or you can see the top of the deck from this side. Now, the next is you will hold this deck in this way, okay? And just with your right hand fingers, you will just push up these cards. And as you can see, when you push up, top two, or you can say the bottom 2 or 3 cards keep right there, because you are holding this deck. Keeps right there, yes. So with the thumb finger, push up this card too, and you need the 7 only, okay? Just push up this card in this way. Okay, you are able, and now see a spectator that how the magic will occur. This and that, as you can see in the video of the performance. Here I have cocked with my spectator, cocked in the video. So in that cocking motion, what I had done is that I'm just pushing off the last card in this way. But from this way, here is just a small is given, but your spectator will not notice this, okay, which is very, very marvelous. You like this, okay? And now after cocking this over, you will just very freely keep these cards facing down. And in this way, the 7 is face up right into the bottom. Okay? So that's a key feature of the trick. Now the 7 is face up. This is very important. Don't show these cards like this, or they will notice that something happened during that cocking motion. And now what you will do, now you will spread the cards out. But while spreading, remember the 7 is at the bottom part, yes? So don't spread it so tightly, okay? And if you don't know how to spread the cards, I will make a proper video on it and you will be able to learn it very easily. But if you don't know, you can just slightly do it like this. And say your spectator could select any 3 cards. Let's say they have selected these 3 cards in this case. So for the performance, you will only show these cards to the spectators. But in this video, as it is the tutorial, so we will see the cards together. So these are the cards: 8 of diamonds, 6 of hearts, and the 5 of spades. These are completely random cards, okay? So don't take tension. Now, from your side, let this be the first card, this be the second, and this be the third. Now, you will say a spectator that I will randomly drop some of the cards on top of these cards. But actually, yes, that's random, but on the first card, it's not random. You will drop 9 cards on top of the first card, okay? So, from your and spectator visions, this is the first card, this is the second, and this is the third. Now, you will drop 9 cards. Now, how you will drop 9 cards? In this way, in groups of 3. 3, 3, 3. It's 9, okay? The total number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Then I'm showing you how to do this. 3, 3, 3. Now, simply drop these cards. These are random 9 cards on top of it. And now, swing cut this card in this way. And this is, don't show this like this, okay? Swing cut this card. And keep this card right there. And this card right there. Or you can normally cut this card like this. You can normally cut right there. Keep the card. Keep the cards. So, now you can show to your spectator all these 9 cards, but in this case we will see it together, as you can see. And now, as this is their card, the 6 of hearts, yes? You can show all these 9 cards to your spectator, and this is the magician view, means my view, okay? Your view, when showing to the spectator, this is the view of yours. And this is the card. You will keep the card. You will say that I will keep it now somewhere into the middle of the deck, but you are keeping it right from the bottom side. This is the top side and this is the bottom side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And in the 4th position, you are keeping your card. Okay? And just keeping it out jog. Square your cards and say a spectator to push these cards inside this deck. Now, you know that it's on the 4th position from the bottom. Now, that's over. Now, this is clear card, the second card. Let me take off. 5 of spades. You keep that out jog and keep this card. Don't do it because 7 is clear. Okay? And keep this card right there. And say your spectator to push these cards. It's over. Now, 8 of diamonds. Keep it on top. And keep this card and say your spectator to push this card. Now it's over. Now the next part of the magic is this. You will say the magic occurs right there, the 7. One of the cards is face up and that is the 7. You already know it is face up because you have second in this position. So as the 7, you will pull off this card in your hand and keep this card face up. And this is the 7. Okay? This is the 7. And now what I have done in this motion, I have steamed the 5 of spades. How? As you can see, this is the 7. You will show it to the spectator, and in the showing motion, you will slide off the top card of your left hand and give a pinky break right there. Okay? You take the 7, as you can see the 7, you will say a spectator that as you can see the 7, and you just slide off and give a pinky break. And keep the 7 on top, and now you will be able to take out 2 cards. But your spectator doesn't notice this. You take this card over and now you can see your spectator that as it is the 7, we will now see the 7 card from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th card is the card, the 6 of hearts, the first selection. Turning over this card, keep this card right there. And this is a cent working time, okay? And now, your spectator had just seen that all these cards were face down except the 7. Now this is more magic than just a snap. Another card is face up, as you can see. And that is the card, the 5 of spades, the second card. And now, as you can see, the 5 of spades is there, it's a gap there, okay? You will take off these cards. Your 5 of spades goes to take off these cards and this card and keep these cards on top of these cards. Now, you will say your spectator that I think your third card, just look at this, okay? Just the illusion of your magic, okay? I think your third card is in the 11th position of the card, from the card. And that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th card, the 8 of diamonds, is the selected card. And this is a completely self-working effect except the sleight of hands. So, hope you like this. So, thanks for watching. And again, I am saying, if you are not able to understand this, kindly watch the performance first, and then you will be able to understand this trick very easily. So, hope you like it. For more magic videos, magic tutorials, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and turn on the notifications on for more magic tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.